Hey guys, it's me Taylor, and today we're gonna make lemon loaf cake. First we need eggs, lemon, cake mix, and lemon extract, sour cream, coconut milk, oil, and strawberries. Okay, let's go. Let's crack up some eggs. Add a coconut milk, oil, sour cream, lemon extract. It's time for the win. Okay, now let's add in the cake mix. Mix it really well, like this. I'm gonna add some crushed strawberry. Just trust the process. Pour the mixture into the loaf pan. Time for the oven. What does the fox say? Ding, 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 ding. All right, let's make the icing. You need powdered sugar, little coconut milk, and lemon juice. Let's add a little more strawberries. Mix it all in. Let's take a break because baking is hard work. Cake's done. Pour on the icing. And ta-da! You have a nice, delicious, moist lemon loaf cake. Thanks for watching.